You want your muds about the same thickness as when you're applying your tapes. You want it thin enough that when you're putting it on into your three-way to apply it, that you don't want it stiff. You want it thin enough that it's leveling out nice as you wipe it down.
So what happens if it's too thick? Is that it won't adhere as
It
well?
it doesn't even out as nice when you go to wipe it, and it makes it. You can make it kind of lumpy and uneven.
So thinner makes it stick better and it's easier to work with?
Yes, yeah.
Got it. So that's okay, that's particularly thin, right? Like that's pretty soupy?
Yeah, it could even be thinner, but that'll work. That'll work for today, see? You want it about like that.
Okay. So wet enough that it'll fall off your trowel if you pick it up.
Yeah, you can feel it's easy to work with.
Makes sense. That's good to know.
For a guy who doesn't do three ways, the traditional way, he's pretty good at it.
He does, he only does two ways.
You could use those, or you could just get Royce to come to your house and install for you. I'd rather use the three-way corner. Though I like Royce.